How to fix Photoshop scratch disks full error. Here are some tips that would help fix Photoshop scratch disks full error. 1. Clean up the hard drives on your Windows PC. Delete existing browser caches. 2. Ensure that there is enough disk for your Photoshop. For Windows users, go to Edit Preferences Scratch Disks. For Mac viewers, go to Photoshop CC Preferences Scratch Disks. 3. Delete temporary Photoshop files, PK, PST for some old version of PS, at C:/users your username here update a local temp. 4. Increase RAM usage and processor settings for your Photoshop. Hint: enable check to use graphics processor. 5. Try purging the Photoshop cache. 6. Clear the aspect ratio values in Photoshop. 7. Use an external hard drive and set it as your PS scratch disk. 8. Try these keys on your own computer: Windows, Ctrl+Alt, Mac, Ctrl+Option. 9. Defrag your hard drive. 10. Go to Adobe Support Community for more help.